Today we are going to be reviewing all of our green stamping polishes that are cream finished. We have so many greens, and you do need them all. We're actually going to be doing 14 colors. All of these are stamping polishes. As you can see, they're very opaque, considering that I painted it over clear tip. This is kind of a one coater. A lot of people always ask, why does Maniology bring in some similar colors? Part of the reason we do that is because sometimes you need that very slight difference. It seems silly, it seems crazy, but I promise you, for those of you who are, deep in the stamping game, you know that the slightest shade difference sometimes makes all the difference. And that's part of the reason why we bring these colors in, because we want to show you if you need a very particular shade, we've got it for you. Again, 300 colors, 14 cream greens. We're really trying to give you everything.